This is central Bosnia, where the Croats have produced 11 alleged Mudžahedini, Islamic fighters from the Middle East and Bangladesh. They said they were aid workers. The Croats said they were arms smugglers, and 3 of them were taken into combat. Martin Bell, BBC News.
Zašto si ti došao ovdje u Bosnu?
Mudžahed, moja karta kod vas. Ja da gasat u železnom polju, samo železnom polju već od djeta u škola.
A jesi li imao pušku?
Imamo puška. Kako?
A šta je sa ovim drugim, zašto su oni došli ovdje, tvoji prijatelji?
Sve dođu, marhamat, sve, para, sve.
A jesu li se došli boriti za džihad?
Kako? Ja ne znam džihad, nema džihad ovdje.
It was a historical event which will never be forgotten, and the brothers being released from the Croatian prisons and their feet touching the land of jihad once again.
This exchange, in fact, took place on the 17th of May, which is 1 week after you assumed command of British Battalion. Are you aware of the holding of this exchange?
I'm not, no.
And this specific exchange of 17th of May does not bring any specific souvenir to your...
It does not, no.